Are you a passionate Roblox player looking for ways to enhance your avatar and purchase in-game items? In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of purchasing Robux in Roblox. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open any web browser you like and go to roblox.com. Tap where it says, Continue in Browser. And then log into your Roblox account. Once you've logged into your account, tap on the Robux icon at the top right. And then tap Buy Robux. And now you have the ability to buy Robux. You can buy Robux packages or pay a monthly fee and subscribe to Robux Premium to get 10% more Robux. Just tap and select the amount of Robux you like. Now you have to select the payment type. You can pay for your Robux using a credit card, debit card, PayPal, Redeem Roblox card, or other payment methods such as Amazon Pay or Apple Pay. I'm going to select the credit card option. All you have to do next is enter your card information and then simply tap the Pay Now button. Once you've done that, it will complete the purchase, and the amount of Robux that you bought will be added to your Roblox account balance. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.